Hey guys, Mr. Colvin here with your weekly update. First of all, TGIF. I hope you all have had a great week. I know that we've enjoyed our 4-day week this week here at Bethany, and we're looking forward to next week, a regular full week, okay? All right, so a couple things real quick. Next week, we have our book fair on campus. So our library has been closed. We have all the racks set up. So on Monday, I believe it's a preview day, and then for the next several days after that, we are actually selling books here at Bethany. Research has proven that kids and parents who have a library at home, a collection of books at home, actually increase and improve their literacy, okay? So if you have an opportunity, have your kids take a look, find some good titles. All of this comes to support Bethany and what we're doing with our library, okay? Second of all, our STEM Tuesdays are continuing, and so every Tuesday, our middle school and either our 4th or 5th grade participates in STEM classes here at Bethany. That's through all-around math, and we also have 2 after-school STEAM classes. On Tuesday afternoons, we have a gaming class, and then on Fridays, we have Lego Robotics. Okay, the Lego Robotics class is now full. So we are at our cap limit, but there's still room in the gaming class on Tuesday afternoons. There are scholarships available for that. If you have not yet signed up, please do for our Tuesday afternoon class. Next week, Wednesday, I believe we started gymnastics here in the NPR, and so we're real excited about that. And then chess club, I believe, started up today after school. Okay, real quick. One of the biggest things coming up is we have our open house on January 31st. That's from 6 to 8 p.m. Now that's an opportunity for you to come and check out maybe next year's teacher for your grade, for your kids, to come check out how we're building and developing our STEAM program here at Bethany. If you have friends that are interested in a good Christian school, having them come and check out what we're doing here. So all of our teachers, myself, Coach Wheel, we'll even have our STO here on campus from 6 to 8 on January 31st. Now here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen. Re-enrollment has begun. That's right, re-enrollment is starting here at Bethany. Re-enrollment for next year, for 2019-2020, began a week ago. And so it is open to Bethany families until February 15th. Okay, so from now until February 15th, you need to re-enroll for next year at Bethany. After February 15th, you can still re-enroll, but beginning on February 15th, we are going to begin adding new students to our school year for next year. Okay, and let me tell you right now, I'm real excited about our numbers for next year. Already we did middle school re-enrollment early. We already have 36 kids enrolled for middle school for next year, and we have several outside applications already for our middle school. So that's real exciting. That middle school is growing. We have 1 kindergarten class for next year. We have over 30 interest queries. We have 14 kids show up at our open house for kindergarten. Okay, so if you are a rising kindergarten parent, you need to get that enrollment sooner than later. Okay, elementary, we have a lot of folks asking about our elementary classes for next year. Let me tell you right now, you need to get the re-enrollment done. Okay, we are capping our classes at 24 students. That means that we will have a waiting list per grade if we are over 24 students. Okay. And currently our 1st or 2nd or 3rd grades for next year look like they're going to be at 24 students, and they're going to be capped. So guys, I'm going to tell you right now, this is a great opportunity. Go ahead and get the re-enrollment done. All of our re-enrollment is happening online. So that means go through RenWeb. There's a tab in RenWeb. There's a re-enrollment button you push there. It'll take you through the entire process. You can do all that stuff without having to fill out paperwork for Bethany. Okay, it's just that simple, all right? Re-enrollment, get it done. Also remember that we at Bethany have a Refer a Friend program. So if you've got a good friend, you've got some friends with kids who want to come and join a great Christian school, well, remind them that they can apply. If they apply and reference your name, that we will give you a free month's tuition for every kid that enrolls. Okay? So, hey, get the word out. We started enrollment. After February 15th, we will be interviewing, and we'll actually be going through the process with any new parent, any new kid. And then those folks will be adding to Bethany. So hey, get the word out. Enrollment starts. Open enrollment's already started. And after February 15th, we'll have full enrollment for campus, all right? Thank you guys, and we hope you have a great week. And as always, go Bobcats. Thanks.